This is Devices for Teams by Hardsoft. That's IT leasing reinvented. With supply, support, security, financing, all from a single source, we truly are the one-stop shop for all of your tech and finance business needs. Our customers have made us the highest rated computer leasing company in the UK. Your business needs to change and adapt, stay flexible in an ever-changing world. We've got you covered. You can switch 100% of your devices after just 12 months, and you can even return up to 50% of devices also after just 12 months. So you have a device not in use, you need a speed boost, you need to switch devices for a team. That's fine. Scale up, scale down, all without penalties and hidden fees. What's more, we'll include our 360 Gold support plan, which includes device pre-configuration and deployment, warranty, support desk, loan devices, and much more. If you'd like to learn more, please do get in touch and visit us at devicesforteams.co.uk.